Listening quiz, level 1. It's a fruit. It is long and yellow. It is a banana. B. It's a colour. It is the colour of broccoli, grass and trees. It is green. C. It is an animal. It lives in the sea. It has 8 legs. It is an octopus. A. It is a vegetable. It is long and green. It's good in salad. It is a cucumber. It is in the classroom. We can use it to erase a mistake made with a pencil. It is an eraser. B. It is a vehicle. It drives on the road. It picks people up from around town. It is a bus. A. It is an animal on the farm. It lays eggs. It is a hen. C. It is an animal. It is orange and black. It is dangerous. It is a tiger. A. It is an insect. It has 6 legs. It is green. It is a mantis. B. It is a colour. It is the colour of the sun, the stars, or a banana. It is yellow. A. Well done.
Giggles!